treat.
Ooh, what would you like?
I want an eyeball. But orange eyeball.
Eyeball?
Yes.
An orange eyeball.
Orange eyeball. Orange eyeball. I get a green eyeball. Another orange eyeball. I like that. What? I want that hand out of here. Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Do you want some candy? Here. Here you go. Huh?
Wow, good sharing, Gabriel.
Hello.
Hi. We are here in our spooky laboratory, getting ready to make our pumpkin volcano eruption.
I'm Gabriel and this is Gabby.
That's Gabby?
Yes.
Hi, Gabby.
Yalla.
Yes, you're Gabriella. Okay. All right, so I have some baking soda here in these two bowls, and we have two little mini pumpkins. Yes, you guys have your own pumpkins. How do you feel about that? Whoa, right? Right? That's incredible. Would you like me to help you with your pumpkin?
Yeah. What?
Alright, okay. Alright, I'll give you a real hand. Okay, so we're gonna carve these pumpkins. We're gonna get this big, super gooper scoop, and we're gonna carve these pumpkins open.
You what? Hey, you. Where's my one? I'm just scared, guys. Stop doing that. Stop doing that.
What are you? You're a fairy princess? What are you for Halloween, Gabriel?
I'm a monster hand.
Ooh, that's spooky. What are you for Halloween, princess?
A unicorn. No.
Are you a unicorn? You're not a unicorn, so what are you?
Yeah.
A fairy?
Yes.
That's awesome. What a good pick, Gabriella. That's a really... Yeah, that's a really good pick of a costume. Who's excited to start carving?
Oh, yeah.
We are gonna open our pumpkins on the count of 3. Are you ready to open your pumpkins?
Yeah.
Let's do it on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Mine doesn't open.
Ooh.
Mine doesn't open, Mommy.
Good girl, Gabby. I can help you with yours, don't you worry. All right, okay, looks like we're good to go on Gabriel.
Ew, that's yucky.
Ah, lucky and slimy too, you know that, eh?
Ew. Chicken and T-Rex Ranch, they made the pumpkin into Baymax. T-Rex Ranch, they made the pumpkin white and turned it into Baymax.
They made the pumpkin white and turned it into Baymax?
Yes.
Oh, maybe we can do the same thing though.
Yeah.
If we just use some paint, some white paint, then maybe we could do that. All right, yeah, you go ahead. Let's see you get a big scoop out.
Yeah.
Our seeds are in this bowl here. For the most part, our pumpkins are all cleaned out. Can I see inside your pumpkin, Gabriel? Great job, Gabriel. Let's see you. You did an excellent job, Gabriella. Awesome. We're gonna put our cups inside our pumpkins. Oh, let's get started. Oh. Oh, that little pumpkin. Nice, yeah. Yeah, you're gonna stick your cup in there, Gabby. Good job. Okay. Then we're gonna get a magical ingredient, and it is called vinegar. So in these cups here, we have the vinegar. What I want Gabriel and Gabriella to do is pour the vinegar into your cups. Can you do it all by yourself?
Yes.
Or would you like me to help?
I'll do it.
You want mommy to help?
I'll do it by myself.
Okay. Okay. Now that we have our vinegar poured in, we are going to create a chemical reaction using another ingredient called baking soda. We are going to create a chemical reaction with baking soda.
Stop.
Okay, I have a bowl already fixed out for you, Gabby. Alright. And I have a bowl for you, Gabriel. You can actually dump those in when you're ready to see what we have. And I'll move these heads out. Oh, I messed up. Okay, go ahead.
Wow! This is amazing! What? Whoa! This is so cool!
Wow.
Look at some more. It's getting up again.
That is insane, eh?
I'm gonna put just a little bit more.
How was that the first time, Gabby? How was that?
Good.
It was good. Okay, so the kids want to try that again. Let's get started.
Cool.
Great job. That is amazing.
Again.
You want to try that again?
Yeah.
You want to try it with everybody next time on GG Planet?
Can I dig some?
Awesome.
Well, you try to experience with me next time.
You're so funny.